Imagine enjoying your retirement only to find a surprise letter from HMRC demanding hundreds of pounds you never expected to. Thousands of pensioners are now being warned that if they don't pay attention to recent changes in how pensions are taxed and reported, they could soon face unexpected tax bills. The state pension is paid gross, meaning no tax is deducted before it is paid out. Unlike wages or occupational pensions, where tax is taken at source through pay, it is up to HMRC to assess your total income and apply the right tax. For those relying only on the state pension, income may fall below the personal allowance, so no tax is due. But for many who also receive workplace pensions, savings, interest, or part-time earnings, total income can easily exceed the £12,570 personal allowance. The challenge is that the state pension is not automatically included in pay. HMRC has to adjust tax codes to reflect it. If that coding is wrong or delayed, pensioners may underpay tax during the year without realizing. Later, when HMRC reviews the figures, a P800 calculation or assessment can arrive, demanding payment. Rises in the state pension under the triple lock are pushing more retirees closer to or above the allowance. The new state pension now pays well over £11,000 a year, leaving little room before tax becomes due. Even a modest £4,000 occupational pension takes income to £15,500, about £2,930 over the allowance. That creates a tax liability of around £586. If the tax code hasn't accounted for the state pension, that underpayment can build unnoticed until HMRC issues a bill. New retirees are particularly vulnerable. Someone may have paid the correct tax on their workplace pension, but once the state pension starts mid-year, their liability increases. If HMRC doesn't update the code promptly, arrears build up. Retirees who also work part-time add another layer of complexity. With income from 3 sources: employment, occupational pension, and state pension, coding mistakes are common. Many pensioners wrongly assume tax is deducted automatically, as it was during their working life. They don't realize the responsibility partly falls on them to check. This lack of clear communication has left many distressed when an unexpected bill arrives. For those on fixed incomes, being asked to pay hundreds or even thousands in backdated tax is a major blow. Even if HMRC allows repayment through future code adjustments to avoid this, pensioners are urged to check their personal tax account online, which shows income sources, tax codes, and estimated tax due. Discrepancies can often be spotted early. Those uncomfortable online can contact HMRC directly for a review. Checking coding notices received in the post is also vital. These explain how the code was calculated and what income has been considered. If the state pension is missing or figures look wrong, it should be queried straight away. Charities such as Age UK are also encouraging pensioners to be proactive. With state pension rises and frozen thresholds until 2028, more people are being pulled into tax for the first time. For those who never paid income tax in retirement before, discovering they suddenly owe money can be stressful. Some argue the system should be simplified by taxing the state pension at source. While this might prevent underpayments, it could also create unnecessary refunds for those with income below the threshold. For now, the burden remains on HMRC to adjust codes and on pensioners to stay alert. Fiscal drag caused by frozen allowances while pensions rise means the number affected is only set to increase. Even a small tax bill can create anxiety for those already managing tight budgets. Experts stress that the key is vigilance. Review your codes, track your income, and keep HMRC informed of any changes. Retirement should bring peace of mind, not financial shocks. By staying informed and checking your position regularly, you can avoid unwelcome letters from HMRC and protect the stability you've worked so hard to earn. That's all for today's update from UK State Pension. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share it with others who may be affected. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more updates on pensions, government benefits, and financial planning tips. See you in the next video.